Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So about this one, we need to find about complementary solution and particular solution. So for the first one, we need to put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of yc, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s minus number 4 lambda e to the power of lambda s plus 13 e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. So we know that this one we can do about factorization, and we have lambda squared minus 4 lambda plus 13 equals to number 0. So because this one we don't have solution, so we just concentrate about this one. So if we find the solution of lambda, we have lambda equals to number 2 plus 3i, and lambda equals to number 2 minus 3i. So this one we have yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we need to change lambda into this one. Plus c number 2 e to the power of 2 minus 3i s. So we have the formula in here. This one, that is the formula of Euler's. So in this situation, I need to transform this one in here and this one in here into like this, and we have yc equal to c number 1 e to the power of 2s sine, cosine 3s, and we have c number 2 e to the power of 2s sine 3s. Now let's go to particular solution. So we have yb. So we see that we have e to the power of s and e to the power of 2s. We can put like this. Now if we do first derivative of yb, we have like this. This one we keep the same. This one we have 2b e to the power of 2s, because first derivative of this one we have number 2 and e to the power of 2s. And now second derivative of yb. And we have like this. Now we have this one in here. So I will put this one go on here. This one go on here. And this one go on here. So we have like this. So we need to simplify everything in terms of e to the power of s and e to the power of 2s. We have like this. And we have 10, 8. E to the power of s. This one combined to this one and this one. And we have 9b e to the power of 2s. We know that this one in here equals to this one in here. So we know that coefficient of this one that is about number 1, similar for this one. So we have 10, 8 equals to number 1 and 9b equals to number 1. So we divide both sides by 10 and number 9 and we can find the solution of a and b. So we put a and b go back in here. And now we have yb 1 over 10 e to the power of s and 1 over 9 e to the power of 2s. And now we have the final answer, y equals to yc plus yb. So yc that is about this one. We combine in here. And yb that is about this one. We combine this one go in here. And that is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.